make it quick. I don't want to miss kickoff.
Ugh, church and football? At least 60 Minutes is on tonight.
Everything okay?
Everything's wonderful. We're trying to keep this quiet, but...
We have decided to do... George, you will not believe what I get to do.
What's that?
Playing Pastor...
So Pastor Jeb wants to get lucky, and I pay the price?
I am asking you to take care of your children.
And I'm asking you, why can't your mother do it?
George!
Fine.
That has to be the play of the game, maybe even the season. Shuttle drop.
No. No, right now, but it would startle me, so just imagine I did.
Okay.
I'm sorry Robin couldn't be here.
She's working extra shifts so she can take some time off after the wedding.
Honey.
None of my friends had recorded the episode. I called Pam. I called Dr. Sturgis. Those were all my friends. Fortunately, having a modem granted me...
Trying to kill you. Oh, yeah? Then why was there hate in her eyes? That's how everybody looks at you.
I got lunch.
Gosh, you made me put a chicken in my room. The spiders are gonna kill her and eat her.
What the hell's going on?
Have some stale ones in the back that you can disappoint your bride with. All right, here I am. What's the emergency?
Sheldon's mad at Georgie because he taped over his space show.
Would you like to try it on? Oh, no, I'm not here for...
I'm just thinking of what to say.
They're teenagers. If you wait any longer, you'll be done.
I'm just going to grab a beer.
George!
Georgie?
What if he knocks that poor girl up and ruins her life?
Is that a swipe at me?
Well, it depends. Did you knock up my daughter and ruin her life? Wait, I know the answer.
Hey, for your information, Mary is very happy.
What happened? I flushed the chicken leg and water started going everywhere.
Chickens were your job.
Veo mañana en la clase de español.
What?
That means see you tomorrow in Spanish class. I was going to ask how you thought you did on Friday's quiz, but I'm guessing the answer is no bueno. Adios.
May have gotten off to a rough start. But if that's what it took to get where you are, maybe God knew what he was doing.
You know what? Let's get back to planning your wedding.
Oh, no. You're done. You may be a great wife and mother, but you...
Academy? I just received a message from Admiral Stomach. She expects
What's going on here?
Wesley Crusher was just accepted into Starfleet Academy, and for his final
You know how we were running practice drills and we wear protection so both people are safe?
Yeah?
Well, there you go.
What?
Train?
Energize.
I miss him already.
A little less conversation, a little more action. All this aggravation ain't satisfaction in me.
No tone, no tone. Oh, there it is.
Open up your heart, baby, that is